guys, welcome back to Frugal Fun. Today we are doing like a mukbang. We have a lot of food in front of us, and all the food that we have is Singaporean local food. And I also requested Akhil to join us.
Hey guys.
Because he is a vegetarian, so we thought of trying some vegetarian items as well. So we are going to be tasting all this food. All the food is from hawker centers or like very local shops, and the entire thing cost us I think less than $25.
Yeah, मेरे ख्याल से 20 भी नहीं गए
20 भी नहीं गया
शायद चल 25.
That's all that we paid for all this food. Let me quickly show you what all we have. We have some Singaporean laksa, which is like rice noodles with a lot of fish balls and fish dumplings and coconut curry. Then this is Hainanese chicken rice, in which it might look very simple, but the rice has been cooked in chicken stock and some spices, which is why it's very flavorful. And then this one is called a Milo dinosaur, which is like an iced Milo, but it has a lot of powder, as you can see on top, and it comes in a plastic container, which is a bummer, but it's very convenient to like carry these. This is a very typical Singaporean way of serving liquids at the local street food and hawker centers. Then this is the vegetarian section, which is for Akhil. We ordered some mee goreng, which is an Indonesian noodles, and this is a vegetarian version, so इसमें सिर्फ masale and there's onion. I think there's potato as well. It looks spicy, but it is really nice. And this is something called pratas, which is of Malaysian origin. Basically, they are like paranthas only, Indian paranthas, Indian bread. But the outer layer is made of refined flour, which is maida. And they have fillings of maybe potatoes, sometimes just onion. So we got two versions. One is a plain onion one, and one is a potato smash. It is usually served with some gravy or curry, but I think we will probably not use it because usually it's non-vegetarian curry. The laksa also came with lots of chilies and some chili sauce as well. Okay, now the fun part is that we will also be answering a few questions. I left a post on YouTube and also on Instagram to ask us a few questions. There were not a lot of questions, which is something that I'm glad about, which means that the video is not going to be very long. Okay, so before we start tasting all the video, just wanted to remind you, if you like my videos, then please subscribe kar dena. Please do subscribe, and after watching the video, if you like it, then hit the like button.
Let's start. I can start with this Maggi goreng.
Okay, Maggi goreng. It's like a mee goreng, Indonesian kind of food.
But what is goreng?
So basically, goreng is an Indonesian preparation. I don't know what it actually means. It is made with a lot of spices.
Okay.
Nasi goreng is made with rice, and I think mee goreng is some sort of noodle. You like it?
अच्छा. And flavors बहुत है. मतलब जैसे हम घर में बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं ना. सारी सब्जियां वगैरह है. हाँ. मतलब it has green chilies, it has potatoes,
lot of onions as well.
It has cauliflower, it has lot of onions.
Can I try
it's not
also?
very spicy, so it is nice. And this was $5.
This was just $5.
5 Singapore dollars, which is like 250 rupees.
It does taste like instant noodles though. Now let's answer a question.
किसी ने मेरे स्किन रूटीन के बारे में तो नहीं पूछा? That is a secret which is never gonna go and get out.
No, but someone asked what food is famous in Singapore. In general, I feel like Singaporean cuisine has a lot of Chinese influence, lot of Indian influence.
Yeah.
And obviously Malaysian influence, क्योंकि पराठा and ये सब तो पराठा रोटी ये सब मलेशिया में काफी खाते हैं लोग.
What I felt, because after coming from 2 years from Hong Kong especially, the food here is very palatable to Indian appetite, Indian palate in that sense.
Actually, the second question is how is life different in Singapore versus Hong Kong? So
in terms of food I would pretty much say that Singapore is much more easy to adapt to.
I think one more thing that's very popular, which I don't know if you might be knowing or not, is chili crab. which I haven't tasted yet, but maybe when everything opens up, I'll go to a restaurant and taste some chili crab. Okay, before we move ahead with that question, I wanted to try a bit of the laksa. Laksa, जैसे कि I told you, it's rice noodles in a lot of coconut gravy. In the past, the ones that I've tried usually had prawns and stuff, but this one has fish balls and fish dumplings sort of things. ये काफी अच्छा है. I really like this. I like the fact कि इसमें gravy है, coconut का काफी strong flavor है.
But this is like ramen.
This is like ramen, but this is made of rice noodles. I think बहुत ज़्यादा fishy है, so if you don't like very strong fish flavor, then you might not like it as much. Tofu भी है. Okay, now you were telling us about what do you think are the differences in between Singapore and Hong Kong?
I would say what
The
is better
houses are
for
big.
houses are वही मैं कह रहा था, houses are big. So at the same cost, you would get actually a pretty decent home in Singapore, which is at least double the size.
I think यहाँ की law काफी strict है वैसे. Compared to any other country.
I think it is also a bit cleaner.
Yeah, it is much cleaner. It's so clean. And laws के terms में I think chewing gum, you can't have chewing gum over here. And there are all these little laws which you have to keep note of, like public smoking is not at all allowed. And people over here, they usually fine you very heavily for smaller crimes, which is why they have been able to keep all these things under control.
Hindi movies get released.
Oh yeah, a lot of Hindi movies.
Hong Kong में it was only one theater, उसमें भी हमको जैसे जाके शॉप से टिकट्स लेनी पड़ती थी. We never ended up.
It was not a very formal channel. Oh yeah, one of my friends said Singapore is the best city in India. Which I sort of agree. Okay, let's try something else.
नहीं, but to complete that answer, Hong Kong में what works for Hong Kong is I think Hong Kong is much more scenic in terms of वो
green spaces are
green
a lot.
space ज़्यादा है. There is a lot more to do outside.
But for younger crowd, I think Hong Kong is a much better place to be in. Because
party scene तो यहाँ पर
I'm sure, but like for a long-term perspective, I feel like Singapore is better. Because Hong Kong में एक तो
Singapore is more family oriented.
Yeah.
Maybe.
And you also in Hong Kong you get to explore a different culture a lot because Chinese influence काफी ज़्यादा है. While in Singapore, I think it's very there are so many people from so many countries कि जो local feel है वो थोड़ा सा कम है सिंगापुर में. Okay, you want to try the parathas now?
Yes. Parathas. So I'll try the masala filling first.
Okay.
Is
it like dosa because the masala looks very much like dosa?
It is like dosa, and it is made out of maida. So I think once in a while you can have it, but it is not like your usual North Indian paratha.
But it tastes very much like dosa. Maybe because of the masala. Someone asked which IIT you are from. So we both are from IIT Delhi.
The best one. I think the answer is the best one.
And then the last question was a couple of questions, but sort of bundled.
Last question. Skin routine? No skin routine.
Do you want to share your skin?
No, it is a secret best kept.
Combined a couple of questions basically together because a lot of people asked about COVID experience. When did you guys hear about it for the first time? What are the COVID measures in Singapore?
I think first time I remember कि जब just close to New Year's we were in Delhi, मतलब we were in India back home, and तब इतना नहीं था. Post Chinese New Year वो जो 4-5 days थे उसके बाद it really picked up, and during the Chinese New Year we were in Bangkok.
Yeah, and I mean the first time I heard was just before we were going for our Thailand trip, which was during Chinese New Year.
तब लगा था कि लोगों की थोड़ी सी फट ली है, and then there were news कि mask नहीं मिल रहे, so we actually bought some mask in Bangkok, and Bangkok में everyone was wearing mask, तो तब actually हमें hit किया था कि कुछ पंगे चल रहे हैं.
This was January last week.
लेकिन हांगकांग में लोग काफी cautious हो गए थे, which was a good thing.
In fact, when we came from Hong Kong to Singapore, तब तो काफी दुनिया में काफी फैल गया था. It was a culture shock for us because Hong Kong में literally like 95 or even 98% of the people on the streets were wearing masks. And as soon as I landed in Singapore, which was I think March first week, second week के आसपास, there was no one wearing masks, and I was like, what is going on? Why are not people wearing masks? So I wanted to try this one. ये हमने पहले भी पिया हुआ है. This is ice Milo dinosaur. Basically बहुत सारा Milo है and some milk and ice. and you can see that there's a lot of powder on it as well. So I'm taking
which is what kind of powder? Milo.
I think it's the amount of Milo that they put that makes it so creamy.
And this is Milo dinosaur. अगर आप Milo Godzilla लोगे,
there's the Milo Godzilla version.
You get ice cream on top as well. Very nice. काफी sweet है, लेकिन अच्छा है. And Milo is somehow very big in Singapore.
Yeah, I don't know why. It's very big. They have ये जो पराठा है इसकी जो sweet versions होती है. There are like cheese Milo versions and everything. Like there are Milo cheesecakes and weird Milo combinations available. Okay, moving ahead with our question though. What are the measures that Singapore has taken? Like,
I think Singapore initially was a bit complacent. I would not say complacent. They had regulations and rules and regulations in place all the time, but they thought that they had it in control. The foreign migrant population in Singapore, which stays in separate housing, वहाँ पर फैल गया. And उसकी वजह से it became a hot spot. And उसके कारण, which is good also, Singapore started testing that entire hub very aggressively.
But I think जो worker communities है यहाँ पे, the living conditions over there are a little. They live in very small spaces and they are more like dormitories and a lot of human interactions happening. So that's why it's spread like a wildfire over there. But in general, I think measures have been very well taken in terms of it's been very fast. I think they started this app which is called contact tracing app, where you just have to put your Bluetooth on and install that app, and whenever you're roaming around, if there's another COVID person or a suspect moving around you, it's going to alert you. Before we go into the supermarkets, they have this
safe entry.
Yeah, it's a QR code which you have to check yourself in with your NRIC, जो यहाँ का ID है, with that number.
No, it is
if your NRID is linked to COVID, a confirmed COVID case already, they must be having a database somewhere. Then it is not going to let you in. I mean, in terms of क्या restrictions है, you are not supposed to dine in at all. But the culture of like takeaway food, or rather eating out, is very popular in Singapore. Most people eat in hawker centers, which is like, it's also very cheap. But now they have made a rule that you are not supposed to sit and eat. You are just supposed to take away. Parks वगैरह खुले हुए हैं. We go for a walk sometimes.
But you can't exercise in a group.
Yeah, you can't exercise in a group. और हमारे कॉन्डो के जो स्विमिंग पूल्स एंड ऑल है वो सब बंद है.
But I would still say that we are allowed a lot more freedom than what we have heard, let's say, in India.
Yeah, of course. I want to try the chicken rice now. This is very nice. I really like it. This is my kind of food. Very simple. Basically, it's just chicken and rice. देखने में बहुत simple लग रहा होगा. But जो rice है, that's cooked in chicken stock. They have ginger in it. It's like biryani, and for someone like me who likes rice, it's like godsend. मुझे तो काफी अच्छा लग रहा है.
लेकिन it is मसालेदार लग रहा है because it looks only steamed.
Chicken is not मसालेदार, and
but it is steamed.
It's steamed.
Only steamed.
Yeah, and I think I mean I like the rice, but chicken though obviously it's steamed and it has ginger and all in it, so it is okay. It is a little bland for me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of this chili sauce that came with the laksa in it, or anything else about COVID experience.
I think skin routine बच गया बस.
What do you think? Where do you think the world is going?
I think काफी restrictions होंगी इसके बाद.
Someone actually also asked where are you traveling, but you don't have an answer. So.
Hopefully India चले जाए एक बारी घर वालों से मिलने later this year. But उसके अलावा तो there are no plans. Right.
Travel actually शुरू भी कब होगा ढंग से, वो भी काफी बड़ा question है in my opinion. And not just travel, like everything. Because in Singapore itself, the lockdown is supposed to go until June 1st. And then they are easing it out in 3 phases. So first phase में they are going to just open the schools and a few of the workplaces. The shops are still going to stay closed for another month or so.
लोगों ने 3-4 महीने देख लिया कि they can actually work from home or have meetings through Zoom. So
I also feel like people will be in general more conscious about, you know, staying away from other people. It will be ingrained in our minds.
Back of the mind. और मेरे ख्याल से what would also happen globally is that ये जो globalization है उस पर थोड़ा सा it will be a new form of globalization. People would try to have it self-sufficient within their borders.
I just noticed that they also have a egg in my laksa. The last question, it was not a question, but someone asked me to do a house tour because I've been putting a lot of छोटे home decor stuff and DIYs that I've been doing in this new house on Instagram. So also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please जाकर follow कर लो. I am planning to do a house tour. It's just that it's taking a long time to get a lot of things because of the lockdown.
Full look दिखाना चाहते हैं.
हाँ, full look दिखाना चाहते हैं, but I'm missing like a basket here and there. Some छोटे-मोटे चीजें we are missing.
And this one, please comment करके बताना कैसा लगता है क्योंकि इसमें मैंने भी अपने inputs दिए.
Actually, this is the first time we are doing our house.
Properly,
yeah. Because
मुंबई में तो बहुत ही
ever since we got married, I mean Bombay में तो I was not mostly, I was not in Bombay. Yeah, I used to be
Bombay में I was like bachelor only.
Yeah.
हांगकांग में था ही इतना छोटा बच्चा सिर्फ सी व्यू तो हमें कुछ करने की ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं पड़ी.
प्लस हमने सोचा कि अब लॉकडाउन में इतना टाइम घर पे रहना ही है
तो सही
घर ही से जा लो. I think we are done with all the questions and food tasting as well.
Yep.
Overall, I'm just going to wrap this video up now. Okay, so our memory card got over. So I'm shooting like the outro on phone. So yeah, I think we're done tasting all the food. It was a nice experience. Did you like the food?
Yeah, pleasantly surprised. मैं तो इंडियन ही लाना चाहता था लेकिन ये कह रही थी टॉप पे सिंगापुरियन and skin routine.
But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. If you did, like कर देना and please don't forget to subscribe.
अभी हम हाउस टूर भी डालेंगे.
Oh yeah.
You should be waiting for that.
Please subscribe and I'm going to be back soon with another video.